Ellie the elephant loved exploring the forest. But she had a problem. Every time she sneezed, leaves flew everywhere. Her best friend, Timmy the mouse, found it hilarious. One day, Ellie sneezed near a beehive. The bees buzzed angrily, chasing Ellie and Timmy. "Run!" shouted Timmy, giggling all the while. Ellie smiled and ran as fast as she could. They came across a muddy riverbank. "Jump!" yelled Timmy. Ellie jumped, splashing mud and the bees. The bees slowed down, confused by the mud. Timmy laughed. "You created a mud bath." Ellie giggled, realizing sneezes could be funny. Together, they danced in their muddy escape. They learned that laughter makes any adventure fun.